Bestie, things you need, girl, to keep on you school bag for school. Now, mind you, I do not have my backpack because I do like bestie. If you do, please make sure you bring your deodorant with you at school because them kids will have you sweaty and funky and musty, girl. Please keep some deodorant on you, girl. Please. The next up, bestie, keep some type of Vaseline or some type of lip gloss on you, bestie, because you do not want dry, crusty lips, girl. Vaseline or lip gloss on you. Now, this came from Target for $3, bestie, and this came from Target for like $1 and like 75, girl. So you don't have to spend like too much money, girl. And then another thing, girl, keep some gum, you girl. Now, this is my favorite gum. Now, the Orbit peppermint gum, like I have like 3 packs of this gum, like I love this gum down. You do not want to have stinking, smelling birds, girl. So please keep some gum on you at all time, girl. And girl, at my like high school, like teachers do not care about you chewing gum. Like my teachers stay like asking me for gum, so teachers do not care about you chewing gum, girl. Another thing, bestie, keep some germs on you, girl. Them kids have germs, and them kids be nasty, girl. Please keep some. If you're like a germaphobe like me, keep 2 germs. Like, I like my little pocket germ, and then I keep my little spray germs, girl. And bestie, another thing, girl, if you're water like me, sometimes, girl, keep some eye drops on you, girl, cause my eye will get like so like watery, girl. Keep some eye drops on you, bestie. Another thing, bestie, you do not want to have no dry, cracked hands, bestie. Please make sure you keep a hand lotion on you, bestie, at all times, girl. Because who won't dry hands, bestie? Girl, please keep a perfume on you, bestie. Now, y'all know I love my perfume body spray down, girl. Keep you a perfume and body spray on you at all times, bestie. Because them kids will have you stinking, funky, and musty, bestie. Another thing, bestie, if you like to eat if you drink like a lot of coffee and you eat like a lot of like citrus food, bestie, and you want white teeth, girl, use this, bestie. Now y'all can see it keep my teeth white, girly. If you want a good teeth whitening pen, girl, use the Moon whitening pen, bestie. Now these like $15 or $10, bestie. This is the bomb, bestie. But girl, that's all you need to keep inside of your bag to make sure you smell good and looking good 24/7, bestie, at all times at high school, bestie.